Shahid and Rani, thanks for joining me tonight. It's great to have you here. But why do stars only give interviews when they're promoting movies?
Because I think it's important to make people aware of your film, because our films are very important to us, and it's important that people see it. And a lot of times what happens is people are so busy in their day-to-day life, they're doing their thing. So it's important for us to make more and more people aware of the film, and that's what our job is.
But why do stars disappear the first week after these? I've always seen that I'd want to discuss with the star
that I think depends upon the film faring at the box office.
No, I think on a slightly more serious note, I think we just need to get over the exhaustion that we've gone through. So we're probably recovering, you know.
As I said, it's different when you're coming off a hit film. Your last film didn't do that well. You've come back after a while. How important is it for your career as an actress?
Actually, I've not come back after a while. You know, in fact, I need a break now, because I've worked really hard on this movie, and right from my last film, Thoda Pyar Thoda Magic, the day I stopped shooting for Thoda Pyar Thoda Magic, I immediately jumped into this role. And everybody keeps asking me, Rani, why one film? And for me, it's important that when I come with a film for my audience, it has to be something worth their while, worth my while, and something that is different that I can offer them. Because they have seen me in so many different roles that they keep asking me, Rani, what next? And for me, it's not important how many films I do or how many films I do in a year. It's important that whichever film I do, it's very, very special for me as well as my audience.
So it's not a make or break film as people
No,
put it.
because for me, I think it's important that if you are talented and if you are a good actor, and if you're good at your job and if people like you, you are going to be signed on. Yes, there is going to be a difference with the way the media looks at you, because you get a lot of respect when you have a success behind you. But I think I've crossed that stage because I've gone through phases where I've hit a low, I've seen a high. And for me, the thing that has been constant in my life is the love of the audience. For me, I have an emotional connect with them. Right from my first movie, they've given me love, they have blessed me, they have supported me. And for me, Hadipa was special because I believed in the film so much that I just landed up doing just Dil Bole Hadipa. For me, that entire year was dedicated to Dil Bole Hadipa because I trained for cricket for about 6 months. I've never played cricket as a child. It's a sport probably, you know, like my mom used to say, "Arey, bahar mat ja, kali ho jayegi." You know, you can't play with the guys. And my brother used to like say, "Arey, what are you doing with the boys? Just go into the house." So I've never got an opportunity to play a game like that.
And even now, if you compare men's cricket and women's cricket, the audiences
absolutely.
are
So
just
for me, those
different
6 months of training in cricket was very, very crucial. And after that, when I really got a hang on the game, I said, okay, let me start the film. Because it's very important for my character to be a very, very good batsman.
Of course, and then you have to transform into a man as well. So double challenge. So I think Aamir Khan now has to take tips from you, Rani, as it is the other way around now. But let me just, we talked about the Rani Shahid pairing, but let's just look at where it all began in a way. Let's just have a look. That's really...
I was the dude in that. I was the dude in the ad.
Lots of acting in that. I love your expression.
There was only one expression, right? And that was an honest, real expression. I think I was just because I didn't know what I'm doing. And I was in the middle of these 3 superstars after Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. And Prahlad Kakkar, who directed the ad, he just said, "Tu aja aur tu kar." So I was genuinely 24 hours.
Oh God, this is really funny.
Oh, I'm dancing with Rani. Oh, Shah Rukh has also come. What's going on, man?
Kajol, I'm going to go out with Kajol now. So it was super.
Oh God.
So tell me from then to now, when you two met, did you remember that he's the same boy? Did you notice it?
I just want to say, I just want to say that we've grown up since then, and we both look quite.
अभी तो हम हीरो हीरोइन
थोड़े ठीक ठाक लगते हैं दोनों साथ में. हाँ, तभी थोड़ा.
At that time I was like a broom. It was like a stick, and there's a lot of hair on top. That was me.
And you were healthy in that ad, but it
you look like half the size of that ad now. Right? You were like, you've just eaten Rasgulla and all that and come.
Like full.
Mama, feed me.
So, as I said, did you remember him? Did you say that you worked? Did you know that he's the same? You know who Shahid Kapoor is now.
You know, she called my mother after she saw my first film, actually.
Oh,
so
you did?
She's got a great memory, and I remember she called up mom and she said that आपके लड़के में potential है.
No, but you know, I really liked him in his first movie, Ishq Vish. And he was really good, yeah.
Tuba.com